So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can add the pages in our website and how we can set the menu. Okay, so before doing this, what I'm going to show you, suppose if I added some pages and I don't want to add pages, and suppose if I do anything and that's going wrong, so I need some backup of my website, right? So that's why we have one amazing feature in the Cloudways is now. You can see, let's click on the backup and restore option here. Now, as you can see here, the backup option, so click on the take backup now. So let's click on this. After completing the backup, you can restore that backup also. So that's really amazing functionality in this Cloudways. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard here. Okay, I'm gonna create one page here. In the left side, you'll find the pages option. Click on this and you'll see the all pages are here. Okay, now I'm gonna add one or more page here. So let's click on the add new and you can put the any name. So I'm gonna put the info page, like info page. In this page, I'm gonna show you the brand info. Okay, so let's click on the publish this page like this, and now I'm gonna add that page in the Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor and that will open your page in the Elementor editor. See, like this. Now let's click on the plus icon. You can add the sections, okay, predefined section, like let's click on that add templates and you'll see the block sections here and you'll see there are a lot of blocks like this. Now click on the plus sign here, click on the grid option, click on the two section. You can see the two columns here, click on this. Now in the left side, I'm gonna add some description, so like text editor like this, and the right side I'm gonna add one picture. So click on the plus icon and just drag and drop one picture image. Now click on the image and you can select any image from the gallery or you can upload it. So I'm gonna just select that image just like this. Cool. Now I'm gonna add some text here like this. So you can just add copy paste that text from here like this here, and suppose if you want to do the actually heading or something bold, like just select and just press the Control B like this and make it bold, or just go to here and let's go to the style option here like this, and you can see here the typography or text color. Typography, click on typography and select the font size to something is like 20. Okay, and got it, done. So it's look fine. So this is the one section. You can just copy paste that section like this. It is the brand info and just shuffle that section. So right click on that and you will see the navigator option. Click on this and you will see the text and image. So just drag image like this here, like this. Now in the left side we have the image and right side we have a content. This is the page. That's fantastic. You can make some margin also in this page. Click on this, click on advanced and you will see the margin. Just unselect this and top margin is like 50 like this. Fantastic. Let's publish this page and I'm gonna add that page in that menu. So how can I do that? Let's go to the dashboard of our website. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard. In the left side you will find the option of menu. So let's go to the appearance and let's see the menu option here, and you can see here this is the menu. Okay, so you can see, just select this and you can see the main menu. Just select this and click on select and you will see here we have the 4 option here. So I'm going to add that info page. Okay, select this and click on add menu and add it here. You can drag and drop to the top or in the after the woman, after the man like this, and just save this menu. Let's open our website now like this and you will see here one menu option, everything, woman, man, and info page. Let's click on the info page and you will see our page here, right? Fantastic. That's amazing, right? So now we have the all pages. Now we have done how we can set up the menu. We have a contact us page, about us page, checkout page, and everything, right? Okay, so now in the next video we will see how we can install the plugin and how we can do the SEO for our website.